This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs without any milk. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, a non-stick pan, and a spatula. Crack the eggs into a small bowl and whisk them gently with a fork for about 15 seconds until the yolks and whites are just combined. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, heating it over medium-low heat. Once your pan is ready, pour the whisked eggs directly into it. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. This initial resting period is key for fluffy eggs. Now, using your spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center of the pan, allowing the uncooked liquid to flow underneath. Repeat this process, moving the eggs around the pan. Keep folding and stirring the eggs gently, ensuring they cook evenly without browning too much. The goal is to achieve soft, curdy scrambles. As soon as the eggs are mostly set but still look slightly moist, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook them perfectly. Finally, season your perfectly scrambled eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your fluffy, milk-free scrambled eggs immediately on their own or with your favorite side dishes. For an extra flavor boost, consider folding in a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese or some fresh herbs like chives during the last minute of cooking. These simple additions can elevate your breakfast experience. Also, for a book that can truly change how you think about money and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.